Hey guys, um, this is Christian. I'm back and I'm participating in a swap with my friend, and I'm gonna be using like a springtime collection from Doodlebug. So we're doing a swap that is Doodlebug related and paper embellishment swapping. So what I'm doing is I'm limiting myself to just the collections that I have. So I am using this Hello Spring collection that I got from scrapbook.com and the Bunnyville collection I got from the same. And I'm going to be using just plain cardstock that coordinate from my stash. Okay, so that's a limitation. I will be also using some leftover odds and ends. And this is the cut aparts from the collection that is also already part of the kit. Some mini icon stickers, some doilies that I have from my stash, some shape sprinkles, and I'm going to be using a lot of tools. Okay, I'm going to be using a lot of punches. You're going to see on my update, it's going to be a lot of punches, lots of punch, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. This one is a while back, I think, from Michael's. Another Hobby Lobby punch. And my favorite of all punches. Ta-da! The ribbon punch from Stampin' Up. Lovely, lovely piece of tool that everybody definitely needs. Also, some epoxy stickers. So let me just give you an update on what I have so far. This is a swap that I'm going to be doing with my friend Chloe. So this is what I have. I just used, I'm not good at the filming thing just yet, but I just used and made a, let's see that one. It's just a traveler's notebook. I just made it myself. I just stapled it. Used an 8x8 paper, scored it in half. And I used like graph paper that I got from Daiso. So I just made my own, used this paper as cover, put a doily on it, put the sticker on a cardstock to make it a little bit more sturdier. And this is a punched flower from this punch. And the leaves is coming from this as well. And then this is, I think, an epoxy that I don't have anymore. Either an epoxy or it could be Nouveau drops. I forgot to say that I used Nouveau drops in my projects, and I think I need more Nouveau drops in my life. Okay, so that's the first one. That's my update. And then I used I used an envelope die, and this is what I have. Let me show you closer. This is just a simple envelope that I embellished with a doily and a cloud punch. And a cloud, I think it's a cloud die. And then the flower punch is this. And these are the Nouveau drops that are super gorgeous. Here, I hope it focuses. Remember the now, I think the sticker I got from Michael's. And then it has space for you to put your thing inside. So that's the first one. This is another one that I used the heart punch on. I hope you can see it. Okay, the same tools that I used. The envelope die that I got from AliExpress. Heart punch that I showed you earlier. The same flower punch. I just used different paper. Put it back. And then this is, I think, another envelope. Just a simple envelope. I just use the paper. Yep. And I'm gonna put, I can put notes right there. And then this is what I did when it comes to the banner punches. I just put a variety. Not sure I like that yet, but so this is the stuff that I've made. You know, there. I'm not sure I'm gonna send this because I'm not sure I like it. Because these are the stuff that I cut up. I just need to put them all together, and it's so much fun cutting them out and starting an embellishments pile. But it's just fun to be able to use your tools. And this is from the bow punch that I was telling you about. Let me see if it focuses. Right there. Aren't they cute? You can put them anywhere. You can put him like with a tag. You can put him with a note. My coworker put it in on her badge. I gave her one so she can put it in her badge. And she used it all night long. Another one like this. And it's so easy. Here's another one. I think I've embellished it too much. But this is supposed to be a tag. I put a doily. I think it's going to be a little bit over, but this is a bow that I use a die with, and the cloud die cut. I absolutely love the stitching. Please focus. Please focus. But I think this is over embellished. Is there such a thing as over embellished? Here's another. Just another banner from the banner punch. I think it looks great. Maybe I should have a backer. And this is one of my favorites. The coffee. Like the Starbucks venti. Aren't they super gorgeous? And the back is like just plain. But the front is absolutely gorgeous. I think this is going to be one of my favorites. I wish there was a punch that punched that, because that would make my life easier. And a lot of people's lives easier. Oh, that's another heart one. So obviously I just copied the Maggie Holmes idea. Just the same idea of the heart. And then Sweet Life. Just 2 layers. And this is a washi sampler. I just used a tag die. Not sure that was helping. Here's another tag. I think this is a lawn fawn tag. And I just use that with, I think I made these years ago. Just very simple. I just need to put a ribbon. Coffee cup. Here's another die that I wish there's a puncher so I can punch a bajillion of it. Here's another bow die. Hopefully Chloe loves these. Here's like a super cute flower. I'm just gonna put foam dots in the back, and I'm gonna give that to her. And here's the second and last washi tape sampler, because I have 4 washies regarding that collection. And this is an ice cream die. I just used the paper with a matching cardstock to coordinate. Okay. Super cute. And I used foam adhesive that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just more flowers. Then I put Nuvo drops. Okay. Lots of flowers. I'm using all my... Here's another heart. It says free to fly. Not sure if it's clear. I hope it's clear enough to see. This is like a cloud shaker embellishment. So I just backed it up with scrap paper from the collection. And I used these from Hobby Lobby. Sequin mix for Easter. This is a new thing for me. I used the epoxy that I got from Amazon. I got this from Crafty Girl in YouTube. She's from Canada. And she had a tutorial. But I didn't have a punch, so I just used whatever dye I had. It took a little bit longer than I anticipated. So I made Chloe some of that she can use as, you know. But it's cute. It's not so much bulk because it's thin. But I think I made more than 6 of those. I have more flowers here in this basket. So this is my ready pile that I just need packaging. So I need to make more multiples of these. And then package it nicely and pretty. But these are the ones that I am going to be working with. See these. So, I don't think I like these. I stamped some Peachy Keen using Peachy Keen stamps, but I don't like how it looks. It looks... I don't like it. It's cute, but not my style. So this one, it's supposed to be for the envelopes. I have a lot more goodies here to play with. Isn't this super cute? I love everything coffee related. Just obsessed with coffee. Anyway. Cute ice cream. I still need to figure out. So I'm going to embellish all these. I'm going to be a little bit busy for my swap. If you have any suggestions, comments. So much fun. I'm be using these too because these are the stickers and I put them on cardstock and then I just cut them individually just so it feels a little bit thicker than a sticker. How cute. The paper handles everything, manages itself because just Doodlebug is just gorgeous. But being able to use all of your tools is awesome, awesome, awesome too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video and it gave you some ideas. Cute. Anyway, please subscribe, give it a click, thumbs up if you like the video, and comment if you have any suggestions or any comments. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.